A very good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at home. In the previous video, we started up with our first lesson of our final term, that is geometry, in which we studied about point, lines, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel line and perpendicular line. Today, we will study how to draw and measure line segment. But before that, let us learn about the instrument used to measure line segment. The instrument used to measure line segment is ruler or a scale. This is your scale. We use a scale or a ruler to measure the line segment. The ruler or scale is marked in centimeter. As you can see here, it is written here CMS, that is centimeters. From 0 to 15 or 30. The bigger scale have till 30 marking and the smaller scale have the marking from 0 to 15. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 parts. Here you can see here from 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter, is divided into 10 equal small parts. 10 small divisions. Each division is equal to, one division is equal to 1/10th of the centimeter or 1 millimeter. That is, you can see here, each division, this from 0 to first division, this much is equal to 1 millimeter or 1/10th of the centimeter. Now let's see how to draw line segment. Let's take an example. Draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. To draw a line of 6 centimeter, we put the ruler on the notebook and mark a point P against 0. This is your 0. Keep in mind, when you're drawing the line segment or whatever diagram you're drawing, your pencil should be sharpened, or its tip should be pointed always, and hold the pencil straight. So 0, mark here 0. Right, and note it as P. Then after marking 0 and point Q on the 6th centimeter mark. We'll start from 0. Then here it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So here in the longer one line, here we will mark the point Q. Keep your scale and your pencil straight and point here Q. So P at 0 mark and Q at 6th centimeter mark. And then what we will do? We will then draw a line with the sharp pencil and join P and Q. Right? This way. Along the edge of the ruler to join these 2 points. Thus we obtain line segment P and Q, where PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Let's take another example. Draw a line segment of 4.8 centimeter. This can be done in 3 steps. Step 1, take a ruler and mark point M at 0. Okay. So this is your 0 mark. We will mark point M at 0. Okay. Like this. And name it as M. Now from 0, we will start counting further till 15. Now we have to point the mark the point N such that it coincides with the 8th division after 4 centimeter mark on the ruler, because we have to find 4.8 centimeter. So let's start counting. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. After 4, we will take 8 division as it is given 0.8. So we'll take small 8 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will draw a small dot at 8th division and name it as N. And the next step is we will join these points with the help of the scale and pencil. These give us the line segment M and N. The measurement of the line segment M and N is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Either you can write like this or here you can write below the line 4.8 centimeter. In this way we can draw the line segment. Now, after learning about how to draw line segments, let us now focus on how we can measure the length of the given line segment. So, let's learn about measuring of line segment. For this, let's take an example. Measure the length of line segment MN. Here you can see the line segment MN is already drawn. We have to measure the length of this given line segment MN. For this, what we have to do, we will keep the 0, this 0 mark, 0 of the scale on the point M. This is your point M. Here we will place the 0. Okay, and start reading on the scale till N, point N. So, we count forward from 0 to 15. So, look here, point N of the line segment is coinciding with the point 6. This is your point N. It coincides with the point 6. So, we can read it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 centimeter. Thus, the length of the line segment MN is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Let's take another example. Measure the length segment of XY. That is line segment XY. For this, again, we will keep the point 0 of the scale on point X and we will count forward till 15 for point Y. Where it coincides with, that will be the length of the line segment. So 0 I am placing it here on X and Y at here. Here we can see the number is 10 and 11, in between 10 and 11. So for this we will count the smaller divisions. So let's count after 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6 point. 6th division coincides with the point Y. So the reading is line segment XY is equal to 10.6 centimeter. 10 after 6 division, 6 division after 10 can be read as 10.6. So this is the measurement of the line segment XY. In this way, we can measure the line segment with the help of the scale. That's all for today. In the next video, we will study about angles. Thank you and have a nice day.